Hi everyone, this is Mercedes Actros truck. Uh, Now it's we going to service reset. We change the engine oil and now going to reset the service. We do as you can see this two display, this one and other one here. We go to here, take the home button, status, go to status. You can see different things coming, diagnostic, events, and we go to maintenance. You can see several coming. We need to check. At this time we done the engine oil. We ask about to service interval reset. Yes, reset value for engine. Yes, okay, yeah, that's done already. Same way you can check other things also. Transmission resetting, transmission oil changing after they resetting, they also you can done. Okay.